Stop buying smart home security systems that lock you into expensive monthly fees for features that should be free. Frankly, most premium systems in 2026 are just glorified money pits. But if you get it right. And my number one pick today has a killer feature that saves you hundreds of dollars every single year, while giving you video quality that is, frankly, unbelievable. We'll get to that. But first, let's start the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its superpower is its brain. The AI in this thing is on another level. It knows the difference between your mail carrier, a stray cat, and a car pulling into the driveway, and it sends you alerts that actually matter. This is for the person who is all in on the Google Home ecosystem and just wants the smartest camera on the block. The honest flaw? To unlock that brilliant brain, you have to pay for the Nest Aware subscription. Without it, you're missing out on its best features. But if you want even better video quality and more flexibility outside of the Google ecosystem, our number 4 pick is the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. We're talking stunning 2K HDR video that lets you zoom in on details without it turning into a pixelated mess. The color night vision is a game changer, and it's the Switzerland of cameras, working with Alexa, Google, and even Apple HomeKit. This is for the video quality purist who needs a system that plays nice with everything. The honest flaw here is battery life. In a high-traffic area, you'll be charging it more often than you'd like, and again, the best features are hidden behind a subscription plan. Now, incredible cameras are one thing, but what if you want a more traditional, whole home alarm system that's dead simple to install? That brings us to number 3, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. SimpliSafe is the king of reliable, do-it-yourself security. You can set up this entire system of door sensors, motion detectors, and a base station in under an hour. And their professional monitoring service is excellent and affordable. This is for the person who wants a rock-solid, dependable alarm system without the installation headache. The one honest flaw is that its cameras, while functional, just aren't in the same league as dedicated brands like Arlo or the rest on this list. SimpliSafe is a master of simplicity, but if you want to build a true smart home fortress with dozens of interconnected devices, you need our number 2 pick, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. Ring's biggest strength is its ecosystem. Everything, from their iconic video doorbells to their floodlight cams and all these alarm sensors, works together seamlessly in one app. This massive kit gives you everything you need to secure a larger home right out of the box. This is, without a doubt, for the Amazon Alexa power user who wants to create a powerful, unified security network around their entire property. The honest flaw? It really does lock you into Amazon's world. If you're a Google or Apple fan, you won't get that same perfect integration. The Ring ecosystem is powerful, but what if I told you that our number 1 pick gives you even better camera quality, and could save you hundreds of dollars every single year? The best premium smart home security system of 2026 is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is a revolution. You get stunning 4K video resolution. You get integrated solar panels on the cameras, meaning you almost never have to manually charge them. But the most important feature is the included Homebase 3, which stores all your recordings locally. That means no mandatory monthly cloud storage fees ever. Its AI is also incredibly good at recognizing faces to reduce false alerts. This is for anyone who wants the best tech, the best video quality, and financial freedom from subscriptions. The only honest flaw? The upfront cost is higher. You're paying for all that premium, subscription-free technology right at the start, but it pays for itself over time. This is the best of the best for 2026. If you want to get the latest, most up-to-date pricing on any of these systems, I've got you covered. Check the pinned comment and the description below for the best prices right now.